Hi, this is David, KB9EWG. Welcome to another unboxing video. In my last unboxing video, I unboxed this beautiful TYT MD-UV390 2-meter 440 dual band radio. That's both analog and digital DMR. I also picked up a matching TYT speaker mic for the radio. It's all programmed up on local repeaters. It's been working great. A good friend of mine helped me recently put a code plug in for digital operations. There's only one problem. There's no digital repeaters in my area, so I can't operate on digital. So what do I do about it? Well, a package has arrived. So let's unbox this package here and take a look. Inside, I find a little box. No other paperwork. Here we have a MMDVM hotspot for digital operating. This hotspot will allow me to operate on DMR or System Fusion if I ever use the AZU equipment, there's also D-Star and other modes available also. Here it is. This is the little tiny hotspot here. I gotta get it programmed up and installed. I've been watching videos on how to program it, and I'm ready to do that. So I could be on digital as of tonight. I will also include a link in the description down below in case you missed the unboxing video for the TYT MD-UV390. So I gotta get this hotspot set up, get it programmed up. Here's the antenna for it. So there it is. That's what they call a jumbo spot, MMDVM. It's a hotspot for operating digital when you don't have digital repeaters in your area. So, thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button to let you know when I upload more videos. Thank you for watching. This is David, KB9EWG 73.